taken like a bunch of photos. I've been collecting these photos of different walls, and here are the clouds that I've been using. So just doing some exploration with different types of photos here. Let me see. So here I have some different patterns to play with. If I want to add like a sense of depth to this, then I can bring in images and start to play with that perspective and use the different perspective tools. So let's say I want a pattern on the floor. What I would do is create a new layer, and here I'm just going to grab this tessellation from the last time we met. I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to paste it in here and make sure my Photoshop's going really slow right now. So with this, what I could do is use that perspective warp. So actually, I'm going to grab just a section of it. So I'm going to make a marquee selection and duplicate that into a new layer, and then go into image, or sorry, go into edit, perspective warp, and just draw one box, and then hit warp, and then manually adjust this so it just matches the floor. So I'm just grabbing the corners. And if you want to have a greater sense of depth, it's just a matter of adjusting those corners. So I just try to match it up as best as I can, and then hit that check mark,